Hey everyone, SPLA Man is here. Welcome to SPLA Man Presents. So it's a summer season, it's your holiday. A lot of people are going on holiday this summer. But before you go on holiday, what do you usually do, right? You plan. If you're going on a long trip, you want to pack accordingly. Well, what are you doing as you plan for the future? Right? If you plan for a trip, certainly you should plan for your business. Like, how are you handling your data center licensing? You know, there's all these changes, as I mentioned in previous videos: CSP hoster, flexible virtualization, authorized outsourcer, Azure Stack, all these different changes. How are you staying on top of it? You know, it's really important to understand what's inside your data center before you even think about moving to somebody else's. And we at Octopus are here to help you. We want to help you plan, right? And I think in order to plan, you have to start and understand where you're at today. And so follow us at octopus.cloud and join our community where other service providers are going through a lot of the same ups and downs as you may be going through as well. With all these changes comes opportunity, and let's take advantage of those opportunities together. So join our community and let's tackle this together. Anyways, guys, have a happy summer. We'll talk to you soon.